Let's change
7 chips into 7/10.
7/10 into a percent?
Sure.
7/10 into a percent.
First, you do 7 divided by 10.
Okay.
10 goes into 7 0 times, so you put a dotty dot.
Mm-hmm.
And then you add a 0.
Mm-hmm.
10 goes into 77 times.
Mm-hmm.
10 times 77. 10 is 70. And then you minus. That's 0. That's 0. Here's your answer.
So what's your answer?
7%.
Oh, so close, so close. How do you write 7% as a decimal? What is this then? If I write this, what percent is that?
Oh, that's how you write a percent.
Is that a percent?
No.
What percent is this?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
It's 0%.
C. If I have 0.23 and I want to change it into a percent, how do I do that? So this is going from decimal to percent.
Maybe like.
How'd you know?
Because there's no 0 here, or here,
Okay.
or here.
So let's see. If I had 0.07, what is that as a percent? What does 0.7% mean? It's the same as what?
Oh, what was that question? There's one question. I don't know.
That's right. But how'd you get from here to here? How did you know that?
Just deleted that
Okay.
0 and took away that and made it like that.
Okay, well, what about 0.125? What percent is that?
125%.
That is where your error is. Okay, to go from decimal is from decimal to percent. Oops. Erase.
10.
From decimal to percent, you have to move 2 places to the right. Right? So where your decimal is, you want to go boop, boop. For example, if I have 0.23,
Minute, you can't. 10, 10.
and then, so your percent is what?
My percent is 23%.
23.
Percent?
Okay, so if I had 0.567 is how many percent? Where did the 7 go?
Bye-bye.
Why?
Because the decimal is in front of it somewhere.
So?
Bye-bye.
If I gave you $1.50, can I just say, it's behind the decimal, I'm only going to give you $1?
Yes.
Yeah? Would that be okay with you?
Yes.
Yeah? If a candy was like, if you wanted to buy candy that costs $1.50,
Candy.
and you're like, store owner, sorry, I'm only going to give you $1, will he say okay?
Yes. It depends on what store you go to.
Okay, so that decimal after matters. So it will still be 56.7%.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So let's try some more. I'm gonna erase this one.
You can erase my candy.
All right, pick a number.
1.
0.1387 is what percent?
Is it's right there, so do
No, I was showing you how to do it because he was like, did you already do it? No. No, how to do the investigation? Oh, he's gonna do the same ones. Oh.
what happened to the screen?
What'd you do?
I pressed the pen and then it went like that.
Oh well, doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'll just. What was it?
1.1387.
So that'd be.
Good. Okay. If I want to go from percent, let's erase this. Okay. So decimal to percent, you go bloop, bloop, that way. Okay. From percent to decimal,
You have to go.
burp, burp, that way. Got it? Okay. If I say
So many recordings.
37%
Yeah.
is what as a decimal?
So the decimal would be right here.
Okay.
So then you go doot doot. So that'd be 0. Oh.
Okay. If I said 5.83, what is that as a percent?
That is 583.
Good. If I said 37.89% is what as a decimal?
Ooh. So that'd be that.
Okay. So let's go back to the original one and see what we can do. All right. Okay, so our answer was 0.7.
Uh-huh.
I want to change that into a percent. So what do I get?
1%.
So how many percent is that? How did you get 3 numbers out of 2 spots?
No, that's 2 zeros.
But it's 0.7, right?
Yes.
Okay, now do your...
1.
Mm-hmm. So how many percent is that? Good.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.